Lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today, what I'm going to do is, it's another mini saving challenges and a long-term saving challenges. The monthly, I will not do it today, but I will do it next week. So for the mini saving challenge, I have here 8 challenges. And what I'm going to do is, as you know, I'm letting the dice decide for this mini saving challenges. So for today, what I'm going to save is, let me check, $30. And I'm using prop money to stretch $30 out. And I already counted. And there's one spicy 5 here. As you can see, it's all $1 and one spicy 5. And let's see how far $20 will go. Do you think I complete one challenge today? Okay, let's see. So for that, let me just get this. Let me get out of this butterfly. I have here, let me do this way. So I have here 8 envelopes. Actually, this is my envelope for my 52 weeks envelope of 52 weeks challenge, but I didn't do it this year, so I use it for randomizing. And let me shuffle this to hide the spicy 5. Okay, and let's roll the dice. So instead of using the usual one that I roll 8-sided dice and select and let the dice decide which envelope will put the money on. Now I will roll 4-sided dice for each envelope so that the dice will decide how many pieces of prop money here will put on one envelope. Okay, let's try a different way. All right, so let's roll it. So 2 for number 1, 4 for number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 for number 3, 4 for number 4, 3 for number 5, 1 for number 6, 3 for number 7, 3 for number 8, and we got here 3 left. For number 1, 1. For number 2, 3. So we only have 2, so let's that. So we finish it early, and let's see how much each envelope will get, and if we can finish one today. As you can see, there's a at the back of the prop money, I'm recycling and reusing papers. That's why there's a printed at the back of this paper of the prop money. So for the first one, so all the dashboard that you will see in here is from Miss Judy's membership freebie. It's a dashboard consisting of 12 dashboard, but she already released the summer one, but I haven't printed it out yet. But I'm using the spring one, so this is the flower one. So if you want to check her out and subscribe on her channel, and you can she's giving away a lot of freebies on her channel. All right, so for one, what we got here, 1, 2, 3, and the challenge here is from, so this from 6 girls budget, and we save here $3. And let me cross this out. So last time I only save here 1, so let's cross this totally. So we need here 10 more to complete this challenge. So I'll just count it. 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Okay, so 40. Let me change this into real one. Okay. So for envelope number 2, this one is from Glow Budget before, but now it's saved with Glow. This is her saving challenges on her on her old channel. So what we saved today is, hold on, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we only need here 1, 2, 3 to complete this. So 1, 2, 3. Hey, we complete one challenge. So 1, 2, 3. So there's a leftover of 3. And let's see how much we save in here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! So let's change this. And let's ring the bell. Oh, where's my bell? Ring the bell. Ring the bell. And I will just put it on the side. Put it on my tin can. The other completely saving challenge. So what will change here? So for I will save. This one is for, I forgot who made this challenge. It's for Asia or Asha to help her on her journey, on her health journey. So the money that I will save here, I will send it to her. So I'll just to support her journey at the moment. So I will just put it in here. It's actually is a three set because she's fighting for breast cancer at the moment. So any empty, any completed challenge here, I will replace it with this. Okay. So for, okay, let me cross this out. I forgot. So there's a $3 here. So let's cross this out. So each icon is $1. So 1, 2, 3. I want to help her in my own way. So this is my way. So for number 3, 1, 2, 3, another $3. And this challenge is from the Dramatic Panda. So each star or each icon is $2. And let me put 2 here and then additional 1. So it's gonna be already 2 here. So hold on. Oh, what I make. So total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Should be 20. Let's see. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, $20. Let me get this and change it into real one. And then for number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For number 4, $4 for number 4 challenge, which is, oh, this one is from Leia, all live budgets. So we only need here 3. So let me cross 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's get $3 here. And let's see how much we save. 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Yay! $40. Let's save here $40. Let's write it down, $40. Yay! And let's ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. So this prop money, I will change it into, hold on, real money, which is the one at the back. Let me get the prop money here, the real money here. Okay, so now $40 to challenge done. Yay! Okay, so let me replace number 4 for another of for Aisha. And let's cross this one. So it's also $1 each icon. And number 5, let's see. Wait, hold on. I didn't put it here. So for number 5, it's $3. And the challenge here is from Rocks of Rocks Budgets. So we only need $3. Total of 30. Hold on, I think I made a mistake here. Yeah, maybe I missed $2 prop money here because I already crossed out. See, only $3. Okay, let's complete this. I think I made a mistake. I lost the prop money. So now 30, let me get another $10 here. So there's another challenge done. Ring the bell, ring the bell. So 3 challenge done and replace it into another Aisha. Okay. So for number 6, the spicy 5 hasn't shown yet. So let's see. Okay, no, it's not. So for 6, it's from no release budgets. And let's cross one here. And so far, what we save here are $15. So let's change this into, okay. So all the completed saving challenges here that I will complete now, I will put it on I will allocate it together with the other one on our month ahead binder. So for number 7, this is from Mel of Momshi Queen. $2 each icon. So I have here $3. So let's cross. This is $1. So 1 and then 2, $3. And let's see how much we save in here. 10, 50, 20, 22. So let's get this. And let's get $10 from the prop bank. Oh, we don't have change. So let me change this. Where to go? Hold on. Okay, let me change this one first. Hang on. I change it and put here 22 and put back this from the prop money bank, which is this one. It's a little bit condensed. So for number 8, I think the spicy 5 is here, of course. Yeah, $7. Number 8 it is. Spicy 5. Okay, the challenge here is from, Madeline Budgets. So this is from Madeline. It's a cherry blossom challenge. It's a set of 3. This is the last one that I have, and it needs $3. So 2 plus 1, so $3, and we have here $7. So let me change this into smaller prop money. So we change, and we need $3. And let's cross this out. And what we save here is 20, 40, 49. So what I'm going to do, instead of saving 49, I'll do it like I'll save $50. So let me just grab another 10 there so that I don't need the coins. So here, let's say here $50. Yay! Another challenge done. Let's ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell, my bell. Just ring the bell. So number 8, let me just grab new mini saving challenge here. Which one? Which one? So let's do this one. For number 8. So this is from Tiny Budget Co. And let's save here. Why put it back there? Let's save here $4. So each circle is 2. So we cross 2 then. Because there's $4. Save here. Alright, that's it for mini saving challenge. Hold on. Come on, lovely. And let's move along to the long-term saving challenge. Let's put it aside. Let me clear my table first and let me see if I need to use prop money. My prop money is all messed up. So let me, oh, why it's so dirty? Okay, so let's open up. So what I'm going to save here is $60. This is the last money that I will save on in part of our June budget. So $60. So for the first one is save 2 or 6 or save 20 or 26 in 2026. So I will save, if you're a spicy saver, you will save 20 for even number, and for odd number you will save 26. But for me, I'll save 6. So let's roll here 6-sided dice. So 5 is odd number, so I save $6. Another one. So 2. That's enough for me for today. So $8. What I have here is, hold on. I already print the new one. If I finish this, I will use another one. So let me save $8. So let's do, and here. So far what we have here is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let me color it like that. 107. Wow. And for Miss Judy of save $25 per month in 2026. This if you complete this, you got save 300. And I think I need to save here $15. So let's get $15. So 15, I'll change into 20, 50, 40. Oh yeah, 35. Change 35. So now let me just color the eyeglasses here. Okay. And I will color the rest later on. So far what we save here, yay! 150, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, yeah, 150, yay! And for, this is from Amy by Nature, save 800 in 2026. And at the back it save 1,200 in 2026, but I'm using the smaller version. So let me save here for now $5. I'll come back when I still have money. So, oh, okay, 5. So this is a freebie also from, this is a freebie, and my challenge is a freebie from each of individual channels, their coffee channels, coffee page, or coffee shop. There you can check it out. And this one is from no release budgets. So I will save here $10 to finish for June. And let's get change. Oh, there's no change, so let's get 10 here. And so far, what we save in here, let's see. 10, hold on. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yay. 130. Okay. Hold on. So this one is from Kimi of Kimi's Corner. It's also on her coffee shop. So I will save here. How much we have here? So I only have one here. Let me save here $5 for now. And let me color it with green color. Okay, so 5 and change of $15. So so far what we have here, still have some more. Wow. 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Yay! So let me just do it like this. Let me count again. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Okay, it's accumulating into bigger savings. $5, $1, $2, any amount. Just be consistent on your saving and you will accumulate into something bigger. You never know how much you're gonna save in a year or in a month or in a week. So for this one, it's from Nita of the Almost Organized Owl. There's a two version of this. The Save 2026 and 2026, this is the big version. That I did the last 2025 in 2025, but I didn't, I think I completed it or I forgot. But this time, because I'm only a part-timer, I don't have a full-time job, I'm using the smaller amount. Save 2020, 226 in 2026. And let's save here $10. So 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so $10. And so far, what we save here, this one is not, it's not a freebie. It's I purchased it through her Etsy shop. Okay, so 20, Save 2027, 2027 is already available on Nita's Etsy shop and Copy shop as well, I think. So I haven't bought it yet. I didn't buy it yet, but I will soon after, I, I think early December or November, I will purchase it again. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yay! Let me just do like this. 120, 40, 50, 60, 160. Yay! 160. Okay. Let me just put it here first. And what's we left here? $7. So let's move back here. And let's save, I think, here. So let me save here another $5. So 3, 5, and $2. Okay, let's save in here. $2. So total of 12. And this $10, let me change it into prop money, which is, oh, real money, sorry, and move it aside and move it here again. So this one. So that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing here, what I'm saving here. And for mini saving challenge, we finished, we completed one, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4 challenges. Yay! And so see you again next time. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.